Walk that bitch square.
Forgot to say this part of the video. I'll show you all 5 different parts: how to drift, how to get wide, how to make it short, how to walk it in and walk it out. I think that's 5. Anyways, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and this is just kind of the basic. If this does good, I'll do a whole in-depth video of just how to do the basics of just sliding. I'll go back out there and show in slow mode each point by point. But this is just one big video showing small business pieces of each part of drifting. I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, what up YouTube? We back with another video. You know, about to teach y'all how to drift real quick. What up, dog? Hey, but yeah, I'm gonna teach you how to spin real quick. So my boy's about to hook this up for me, put it on my head, and I'll show you how it's done. But this thing is smacking out today. Yes, sir. How to get it in. So you're gonna first do track, then you're gonna hold this traction button. Hold it for like 5 seconds, and then it says electric stability control off and traction off, and that's how you know you're good to go slide. And then make sure you put in 1 when you slide, and I'll show you the rest with the feet control and all that. Let's get into it. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys how to drift in this video. I kind of forgot to talk while I was recording, so I'm just gonna talk over it. Alright guys, is it recording? Well, this is the basic. So to start, you're just gonna put your foot on the brake, and then other foot on the gas, and just ease off the brake into the gas. Hold the wheel to the left, and then just let it go to the right, and just play with the gas, and just counter steer the whole time. And that's pretty much just the basic: gas and counter steer. And you can hear me like feathering it, and then just turn the wheel accordingly. And that's pretty much just the basic part of that. And now I'm about to go into 4 other steps of how to do other advanced stuff. Alright, so now I'm going to show you guys a little bit how to go both ways. So, you see my foot when I get into that. So you pretty much just counter steer, and then just keep playing with the gas. So just keep mashing it, and then you hit it 1 hard time, and that'll turn the whole vehicle around. And that's what you saw I did in the beginning. So let me show you an outside perspective now. You can see me turning, and I just hit the gas 1 hard time, and then let off. And that made the vehicle turn in the way to go the other way, and then I just started up again, counter steering, a little bit of gas, and then just steering wheel, no brake, just gas and steering. So now I'm about to show you guys probably one of my favorite things to do, and that's to get wide. So when you see in this video how I'm almost touching each corner, and the easiest way to do that is, instead of holding the gas for a long period of time, you pretty much just feather it, give it 1 good push, and just let off, and that'll propel the vehicle to go further in that direction. And then when you want to turn, just turn the vehicle a little bit, and it'll cut off so you don't hit the edges. So here's a little video of me getting wide. You can see me just feathering the gas, and I'm getting close to those tires. I'm not holding the gas pedal all the way down, I'm just playing with it. So I'm playing with the wheel so it gets wider. Alright, now I'm about to show you guys probably one of the most dangerous things to do is to get close to the person in the middle. So this is the opposite of getting wide. Instead of doing less gas, you do more gas. And you kind of just turn the wheel and hold it. You don't move it, you don't counter steer as much. You hold it more and just hit the gas a lot more. Keep feathering it, as you can hear. And here's like an outside perspective of me getting close to my friend here. Just keep playing with the gas and just holding it more. So it's more smoke, more tire rotation. And you gotta play with the wheel a little more, hold in one direction a little bit more, not as much counter steering. So here's the inside perspective. Camera got pushed up a little bit, but you guys can still get the point. I'm not moving the wheel as much anymore, I'm holding it kind of in one direction and just playing with the gas. This one I went tight, so I held the gas down 1 good push, and then I just kept hitting it. A lot more gas now. The more gas, the closer you're gonna get. Now we get to the point where if you want to show off, this is how you show off. So when entering, it's called walking it in. So you hold your foot on the brake and hold the gas and then ease off the brake, hold the gas like a burnout, but you turn the wheel in the direction you want to go, and then right at the end you hit the gas hard and you just let go of the wheel and let it turn, and then you grab it and start counter steering. So you guys see my left foot's on the brake, right foot on the gas right here. I just keep hitting the gas, and then once I got where I want to go, I just let go of the wheel and keep counter steering from there. And I just keep tapping the gas and just steering how wide or how tight I want to get it. Alright, and this is the second part of showing off. When you are done drifting, you want to leave. So it's just pretty much how you walk it in, but you're walking out. So when you're done drifting, you keep holding the gas, but you smack the brake, and then you just ease off the brake while you're moving. So I'm on the gas, feathering it, but holding the brake still. So I'm controlling it, and when I steer, I'm going in the direction I want to. So here's the outside perspective. I hit the brake, and then I just kept playing with the gas. And I was just turning the wheel in the direction I want to go. So watch that one more time. I'm spinning, tap the brake a little bit, let off the gas, hit the gas again while holding the brake a little bit, ease off the brake, still be on the brake though, and then just keep hitting the gas. Here's another outside perspective, and you just keep playing with that gas and brake, but don't let go of that brake too much. And then when you're done, I just stopped, let off the gas, and that was it. Alright guys, so now I'm going to show you, this is just one big video of me going both ways, getting close, getting wide, getting tight, everything, just having fun. And I hope this video you guys like, comment, subscribe. And if you want me to do another video just showing you how to drift better with an inside perspective, let me know. So chaotic right now. Look at this. This thing is packed. No getting in or out, bro. It's packed. Let's kind of let them GoPro. Let's get it. Wow. You gotta chill out. You're about to burn out in front of me. I just cleaned my car, youngling. No, sir.